Hey guys, and welcome to the first devlog for a new project. This project I plan on taking no longer than 3 to 4 weeks, after which I will hopefully be releasing it on itch.io. Seeming that this is an introduction devlog, I should probably tell you a little bit about this game. So, the idea for this game is that it's a roguelite, where you collect weapons and defeat monsters in a 2D platformer style. Now, this game will be created using pixel art, and if you've seen my other games on itch.io, you'll probably know pixel art is not my strong point. I'm pretty bad at it. However, for this game, I really want to challenge myself to improve my pixel art skills. In terms of where I got inspiration for this project, I've always been a fan of roguelites. My two favorites are Soul Knight, which is a little mobile game, along with Billy's Nightmare, which is actually created by the Broman90, who is another YouTuber. The gameplay is also inspired by another game which was made in Pygame, which if you didn't know is the library I'll be using for this project called Drawn Down Abyss, which was created by the YouTuber DaFluffyPotato. So I've already begun development on this game, and here's what I've got so far. As you can see, it's really not much. Just a very simple character with art that I'll definitely be changing later on, a little run animation, and he can also collide with these tiles. The camera also follows the player with a little bit of delay, which I think looks really cool. So the next thing I decided to do was program the beginning of a weapon system. So the way this works is that the program takes in an image of a weapon, in this case a gun, and displays that image next to the player. To handle shooting, first we check if the mouse has been clicked, and if it is, we append a bullet to the bullet list, and a simple for loop is responsible for displaying and moving the bullets in this list. It's also worth noting that some of the code from this video was taken from DaFluffyPotato's pygame platformer tutorial series. It's really great and I highly recommend it if you're looking to make a platformer. So anyway guys, here you can see I have the system which I just spoke about working pretty well now. Our player can run and shoot bullets like expected. However, currently our player can only shoot when he's moving, but I'll be fixing that at a later stage. Okay guys, this is where we're going to end this little introduction devlog. Hopefully we can get some more development done in the devlogs to follow. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this introduction devlog, please make sure to let me know with a like. And if you want to stay up to date with the game's development, please consider subscribing. I will also be posting more frequent updates over on Twitter, so if you want more consistent updates, please go follow me there. Link in the description. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed and I'll see you all next time.